Today we're making sweet and spicy baby back ribs. They're really easy to make, it just takes some time. So let me show you how it's done. The first step is to create a dry rub for the ribs, and that will also be the flavoring base for our sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1 teaspoon of ancho chili powder, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can add a little more or less depending upon how spicy you like it. 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and a half a cup of light brown sugar. Mix that together and then add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and some black pepper. After you get this all mixed together, we're going to reserve 1/4 cup of the dry rub for our sauce. This recipe makes enough for about 2 slabs of baby back ribs, or about 6 pounds. The first thing you're going to do is tear off a large piece of heavy-duty aluminum foil and lightly spray it with cooking spray. Using half of the rub, spread it all over both sides of the baby back ribs, working it into the meat and getting it into all the crevices. Then, using a second piece of foil, wrap the meat tightly. We're going to bake this in the oven at 325 degrees for 2 to 3 hours. This will make the meat fall off the bone tender. Once the meat is cooked, remove it from the oven. Let it cool a little and then open the foil packet and pour off the excess juices. Skim any excess fat that settles to the top of the measuring cup. In a medium saucepan, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter, then cook over medium heat until the butter foams and starts to brown. This will take about 6 minutes. Once you have the browned butter, pour in the reserved juices and a 1/4 cup of reserved dry rub. Whisk and cook until reduced by about 1/3. This could take around 10 to 15 minutes. Then, removing the sauce from the heat, stir in a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Your sauce is ready and it's time to grill. So to finish up our spicy and sweet ribs, we are going to take these baby backs that we've had in the oven for about 3 hours, and we're going to put them on the grill and use the sauce that we've prepared. Baste the ribs with the sauce, turning several times and adding more sauce each time. It takes about 10 minutes on the grill. Any excess sauce can be served alongside the ribs for dipping. Give these ribs a try and let me know what you think of them. Like and subscribe below.